Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. FWCloud-UI is a tool that helps us manage all firewalls from a single place. We can visually create and modify their security policies. These policies, to be effective, must be installed on the firewalls for which they were designed. If you ever wondered what is actually installed on the target device when you install the policy from FWCloud-UI, now you can view and also download the script directly from FWCloud-UI. For the script to be available, the policy must have been compiled. When the compilation has finished, we have an icon and a button from where we can view the policy script. The displayed content can be copied to the clipboard and downloaded. Also, we have another icon and button to download the policy script. We also have access to these functions from the context menu of the firewall. Please stay tuned to learn more new features about FWCloud-UI.